Removes contaminants from fuel, protects engine components, improves performance, efficiency, and fuel system longevity. My today's video is about top 5 best car fuel filter that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at K&N Car Fuel Filter. This fuel filter delivers dependable performance by ensuring a consistent and clean fuel supply to the engine. It helps maintain smooth fuel flow, which is essential for stable engine operation, improved responsiveness, and overall driving efficiency. Built with high-efficiency premium pleated media, it effectively captures contaminants and provides strong protection for the entire fuel system. This helps reduce wear on engine components and supports longer engine life through cleaner fuel delivery. Designed as a direct replacement, it meets or exceeds OEM standards, making it a reliable upgrade or replacement option for routine maintenance. The heavy-duty steel canister construction adds durability and ensures long-term structural strength, even under demanding conditions. With its low-restriction design, the filter maintains optimal fuel flow without compromising filtration performance. Overall, it offers a solid balance of durability, efficiency, and engine protection, making it a dependable choice for maintaining fuel system health and long-term engine reliability. Now our second product is Marsram Car Fuel Filter. This fuel filter kit is designed specifically for 2019 to 2024 Ram trucks equipped with the 6.7L Cummins diesel engine, including 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models. It replaces multiple OEM part numbers, offering a reliable and compatible solution for routine maintenance. Built with premium-grade filtration media, it delivers up to 99% removal of water, impurities, and contaminants at 4 microns. This ensures clean fuel delivery, improved engine efficiency, and better protection in demanding diesel conditions. The design also maintains low flow restriction, helping support consistent performance without sacrificing filtration quality. Manufactured to OE specifications, this kit provides a direct fit replacement for quick and hassle-free installation, performing like the original or even better. Each unit is 100% tested before leaving the factory to ensure durability and reliability. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive support, it offers dependable performance and peace of mind for long-term diesel engine protection. Our third product is Doc's Auto Parts Car Fuel Filter. Doc's diesel fuel filters are designed to deliver strong protection and reliable performance for 2019 to 2024 Ram trucks with the 6.7L Cummins engine, including 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 models. This kit includes 2 fuel/water separators that help remove contaminants such as water, rust, dirt, and debris, ensuring a cleaner fuel system and better engine protection. With a 3-micron filtration rating and 96.92% efficiency, these filters provide excellent contaminant removal while maintaining proper fuel flow and pressure. This helps improve acceleration, fuel economy, and overall engine performance in demanding diesel conditions. High-quality filtration media maximizes surface area for better dirt-holding capacity, and O-rings are included where needed for proper sealing. The filters are compatible replacements for multiple OEM part numbers, making them a versatile and dependable choice. They are third-party tested for quality assurance and designed for easy installation. For best results, replacement is recommended every 5,000 to 10,000 miles depending on driving conditions and manufacturer guidelines. Now number 4, Fill-Rite Car Fuel Filter. This high-efficiency fuel filtration kit is a complete and reliable solution for protecting fuel systems in demanding applications. It effectively removes dirt, rust, and fine particulates down to 10 microns, helping safeguard pumps, injectors, and engines from harmful contamination. The kit comes fully equipped with everything needed for installation, including a 10-micron filter, filter head, and multiple pipe fittings, making setup straightforward and convenient. Designed for fuel transfer systems handling up to 25 GPM, it ensures fast yet clean and consistent fuel delivery without restricting flow. Compatible with gasoline, diesel, and kerosene, this system is well suited for commercial, agricultural, and industrial use. Its heavy-duty construction and precision threading provide long-lasting durability even in tough working environments. Maintenance is simple, with filter replacement recommended every 6 months for optimal performance. Backed by Fill-Rite's trusted reputation and USA-made quality, this kit delivers dependable filtration, strong performance, and long-term fuel system protection. And our last choice, SMSEACE Car Fuel Filter. This inline fuel filter offers a practical and reliable solution for keeping fuel systems clean and protected across a wide range of small engines and equipment. Built with a durable plastic housing, orange internal filter element, and strong brass end caps, it ensures solid construction and consistent filtration performance. A high-quality filter paper with dense pleats effectively removes impurities, deposits, dust, and water from gasoline, helping protect the engine from wear and maintaining smooth, stable operation. This contributes to improved engine reliability and longer service life. Designed for versatility, the kit includes 4 filters and 8 clamps, making it suitable for motorcycles, scooters, lawnmowers, tractors, snowmobiles, generators, and more. Its universal design allows flexible use across many applications. Installation is simple and secure thanks to the included clamps, while the compact size allows easy placement in tight spaces. Overall, it delivers dependable fuel protection and efficient performance in various working conditions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.